If you live in Columbus, Ohio, and you are looking to sell your house because you're downsizing, or if you're just thinking about downsizing at some point in the future and you're going to sell your house in Columbus, this video is for you. My name is Dave Perichin with Sell House Columbus, and we have been buying houses in and around Columbus, Ohio, and all surrounding areas all over the whole great state of Ohio, as a matter of fact, for over 14 years. We live here in Columbus, we're from here, and we're going to treat you fairly because I know for a fact we get about 80 to 90 calls a month, and a large percentage of these calls are people just like you who are downsizing or looking to downsize. And if that's the case with you, we know for a fact you're not trying to give the house away. You're not looking to give it away. You're not fire sale. You're not desperate. Nothing like that. We're not going to treat it that way. We know you want something fair. We're able to provide that to you, but it's also going to be convenient because when we buy your house in Columbus, we're going to buy it in its as-is condition, as is. That means you don't need to clean anything. You don't need to haul anything away. You don't need to, pack things and, for us, and we need the property to be empty before we close. No, it's as is. It's 100% as is, and it's convenient working with us because we're a cash buyer, so we don't need to rely on the bank approval, and now we're going to send through the appraiser and a professional inspector to nitpick your property, and you need to fix the furnace. No, it's not a traditional sale. There's no commissions as well. A lot of times, a traditional buyer who's relying on a bank and doing all the inspections and appraisals and all that, a lot of times they got a realtor involved too, so then you have to pay commission. And that's money out of your pocket. With us, there's no commissions whatsoever. You keep as much money as you possibly can. That's what we want to see. In fact, when we buy your house, it's going to be a net figure to you. There's no fees or costs taken out, just your property taxes. If you have property taxes owed, that'll come out, and then any mortgage attached to the property, that'll get paid off, and the rest is yours. There's no fees whatsoever. You don't even have to pay a notary fee. If we send a mobile notary, or if the title company sends you a notary to, finalize the transaction, we'll pay for that. You don't even have to pay for a postage stamp if you got to mail something in. There's no costs to you whatsoever. There's no obligations. We have hundreds of references and positive reviews, and I know for a fact we can help you and work very well with you. So our number here at Sell House Columbus is 614-300-5151, and our website, sellhousecolumbus.com. When we get on the phone, it will be a simple conversation. It's not a high-pressure sales tactics. No, we just need to know more about the house and know more about your timeline. And this is important. It's often overlooked, but since we're a cash buyer, we could close quickly if you need us to close quickly, or we could create flexibility if you prefer. If you want to set a target future date for the closing, we can be flexible as well. But that's it. We just want to know more about the house, know more about your timeline. We're going to make you a fair cash offer on your Columbus house. If our offer works for you, great. We'll move forward, and we're going to communicate clearly and transparently throughout the whole process. You're always going to know exactly where we're at in the process. But if our offer doesn't work for you, that's okay too. No crime, no foul. We'll shake hands and part as friends. We're never going to leave a bad taste in your mouth or anything like that. So our number again to call is 614-300-5151, and our website, sellhousecolumbus.com. And my name is Dave Perichin. I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.